Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering essentials and opening Virtualbox. This saves time. Download the Windows 11 ISO and install the latest Virtualbox and extension pack. Once done, enable Intel VTX or AMD in BIOS. This allows hardware virtualization. Make a new VM. Choose Windows 11 64-bit. Set 4 GB RAM or more. Assign 64 GB disk as VDI and enable EFI. I explain the TPM workaround next. Because Windows 11 checks require a TPM device for install. You now configure the VM for a successful install. Open Settings, System Motherboard, enable EFI and I/O APIC. Processor, assign 2 or more cores and enable PAE/NX. Under Storage, attach the Windows 11 ISO to the virtual optical drive. For TPM, either add a virtual TPM via VBox manage with a secure key or use the installer registry bypass method. I show both so you can pick. Start the VM. Run the Windows installer, pick Custom, and create or format the virtual disk. Finish by installing Virtualbox guest editions inside Windows to get drivers, clipboard sharing, and dynamic resolution. This improves performance. Make sure 3D acceleration is on and set video memory to 128 MB so the UI renders correctly. Once Windows updates, install drivers and reboot. If installation fails, check the common causes. Virtualization disabled in BIOS, EFI turned off, missing extension pack, or incorrect TPM setup. If you still hit an error, revert to the registry bypass and retry the installer steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.